my name is Vicky Barrow. This is a second grade lesson on word recognition. The objective of my lesson, the students will be able to recognize blended initial letter sounds. The materials for my lesson is the book Leaf Man by Louis Elfler, a PowerPoint with pictures, and handouts with paragraphs. First, I will show the students pictures of a PowerPoint of words that begins with consonant blends, and I will ask the students what they see and then discuss what is on the pictures. We are going to start with, I'm going to start to ask the students what they see on these pictures, and I probably will get from them an answers like there's water, leaves, it's pink, and then I will explain to the students that this is actually drifting, and drifting is letting the wind or water momentum carry you. Then we'll go to the second picture, and I will ask them again what do they see, which I'm expecting response like grass, flowers, sky, trees, and then I will explain to them that that's a prairie, and I'll explain to them what it means. I'll just tell them that this is just a land full of grass. Then we'll go to the third picture, and I will ask them again what do they see, and more than likely I'll get a man flying, a kite, a sky, and then I'll go ahead and tell them that that is actually gliding, and gliding is just letting your momentum carry you along. Just and maybe I can tell them, for example, like birds when they move their wings and then they just stop flying and just let their momentum carry them along. And then we go to the fourth picture, and I will ask them what do they see, and I'll probably get like birds, they're flying, and then I'll go ahead and tell them that that's actually a flock of birds. And I explained to them that the flock of birds is just a group of birds that more than likely are traveling together. After I will go ahead and ask them what these words has in common, and I'll just tell them that we're gonna go. I'll tell the students that by the end of my lesson, by the end of our word investigation from the book, The Leaf Man, you will need to show me that you can recognize and understand the meaning of the following words, which we just talked about in actual pictures of drifting, prairie meadows, gliding, and flood. First, we're going to read the book. Then to catch their interest, I will show them the front and back of the book. I will ask the students if they ever seen a leaf man or how they think a leaf man looks like. And then we will write the words, the unknown words, on a board. Then we'll investigate together by looking at the words around the unknown words using context clues. The student guided practice. The students will now practice by coming up with as many words as they can that fits in the initial blended consonants rules. The teacher will guide the students, adding them when necessary and explaining if the student is confused. The summary and reflection. I'll just tell them today we learned that many words begin with more than one consonant sound, that they are called consonant blends, and now when they read the books, they will be able to recognize these blends in many words. to give them an independent practice, I will give the students, I'll partner them, and I will give them a paragraph, and the students will look through the paragraph and find the highlighted words, and they will have a piece of paper where the highlighted words will be in the middle, and they will use the paragraphs to find the meaning of that specific word. To evaluate them if they have learned my concepts, I will give the students a paragraph, and I will ask them to highlight the words that begin with consonant blends, and the students will also be asked to tell the definition of these words by using context clues in the paragraphs. And thank you for watching my lesson.